Welcome to Sites, your portal for all things study abroad. On Sites, you can search for programs, apply, and keep us updated while you're abroad. The first thing we're going to do is search for a program by clicking the link in the upper left corner. Searching for programs is pretty easy. You can filter by language, destination, term, or other criteria. Once you've clicked on a program that looks interesting, you can scroll through to learn more about it, go to the program website, and open an application for it when you're ready. Once you've opened an application, you can return to it from your home page at any time. The application is pretty straightforward. Just fill out all the components listed on the left. You can save and finish later to return to your application, or save and continue when you're ready to submit. After you've been approved, you can confirm your study abroad plans by completing the post-acceptance information listed under the application. After that, you're all set to study abroad.